Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a review on my, I would say maybe a 2-month, maybe 3-month review of my Herman Survivor Grizzlies. Now, I still have my big timber 2s, as you know in my previous video. I'm not going to be doing anything really like, stomping or anything with these yet, because, well, I'm still trying to break them in. As you can see, I'm really starting to beat these up already. If you look at this one, it's starting to get a little, I mean, it's a little chipped, but that's okay. I don't mind. These are definitely a steel toe boot, as you can tell. These are the most comfortable steel toe boots I've ever worn so far, and they're really reasonably priced too. As you can see, there's the Herman Survivor logo. They do feel a little big though. I should went down maybe half a size, just to try it on just for kicks. But no pun intended though. Yeah, I should have went down half a size, just to try it. Well, I didn't do that because I was afraid I wasn't gonna get them off again. So that would be a 10.5. That's a small shoe. Let's see here. This is about maybe a 8-inch shaft from the top here to the sole. It's about 8 inches. The inside, well, as you can tell, I wear these almost every day. They're the most comfortable boot I've ever worn yet. I love these a lot. I should have got these sooner, actually. And look at the details here. And there you go. Size 11 wide. They only come in wide, which is unfortunate, really. Rubber sole. I think it's more of like a plastic sole, really. And this is ASTM compliant. This is a 2018 standard. I think as you know in my Herman Survivor, well, when I did all my work boot video, you know what all this means. So, and if you're not sure, you can always preview it. I'll just put like a little card somewhere if you guys want to watch it. Yeah, so I'm wearing the same size as I always did. Like I said, I should have went down half a size, just to try it, because these do feel a little big. So this is an ASTM 2413-18 standard, which the 18 is 2018. And I don't know what they're rated for, with impact and compression. So, imagine it's the same as most steel toe boots. They're only rated for that much. About 75 pounds, which sounds about right. And like I said in my previous, and by the way, the Herman Survivor logo is on the side of the boot now. It's not, up here, like in the big timbers. I like both of them. I mean, I think these are great quality boots for the price. They're really comfortable. They're really easy to walk in once you break them in. And as you can tell, I got a crease right here. This one has a crease right by the steel plate. So, yeah, these are definitely worth it. I mean, the laces are cheapsy, of course, but that's okay. Not a big deal. I don't care. So I can always get new laces. Not the end of the world. So, yeah, most comfortable boots ever. Maybe I can show you guys what they look like on my feet. So, yeah, when we do that. So, I'll be right back. And there you guys go. That's how they look on my feet. They're real, like I said, don't mind the lace. I didn't tie it correctly, but whatever. It's fine because I'm only going to be wearing these for a little bit. So, yeah, that's how they look on my feet. Like I said, they're the most comfortable boot I've ever owned. I can flex them pretty far, without me, it feels great. So, let's just take a little walk with these on my feet. I've been told that I look pretty tough with these on. I look, that I look like a person that not to mess with. So, yeah, don't mind me, I'm pretty tall, but yeah, there you go. So, yeah, let's get a little closer here. being a little careful because I don't want to drop my phone. So, yep, see there's a crease right here. And there's a little crease on the side here. This boot's showing signs of wear a little bit. But this one isn't. It's not really wear, but it's more still of scuffs. And the leather, this one looks okay yet. This one just has little scuffs here and there. But that can be cleaned off easily. And there's a little wrinkle. You guys can see it better in the light. Suppose that might have happened when I walked with them in the rain. So, yeah. These boots are really good. I feel like they're definitely a winner for somebody that needs a cheap pair of boots. So, yeah, there you go. This is really hard to stand, by the way. That's okay. So, yeah. And like I said, too, I really don't need to have a steel toe boot, but I like them. I think they're the best boots out there. So, yeah, if you guys like this video, feel free to like it. And then I will talk to you all in August. So, we'll see you then. Bye for now.